to the National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. Every year, about 2,000 young men and women go through these ornate gates to study at one of India's premier institutions of technical education. They choose one of the 10 undergraduate and 28 postgraduate engineering, science, management and humanities programs after coming through one of the toughest entrance examinations in the world. On this 800-acre campus, they will chase their dreams to become future technocrats, innovators, entrepreneurs, academics, even civil servants. Why would Muhammad Fasil Jalali travel from his native country, Afghanistan, or Lak Shering Lepcha from Bhutan to study at NIT Trichy? And their numbers are growing. This 55-year-old institution is still young and growing in stature as among the first choice T schools in the country. The iconic clock tower stands tall like a witness to the history of the erstwhile Regional Engineering College, which since 2003 is the National Institute of Technology. The chimes of the clock only remind everyone of a new frontier to be reached, a new discipline to be discovered, a different challenge to be met while staying with the resolve that we can do it. The can-do spirit is a badge of honor for every student who dreams of coming to NIT Trichy. The National Institutional Ranking Framework NIRF 2019 recorded a significant result. NIT Tiruchirappalli broke into the exclusive club of the top 10 technical universities in India to emerge the best among the NITs for the 4th year in a row. The director, Minnie Shaji Thomas, the first woman director in the history of NIT Trichy, is on a mission to expand the institute's global footprint. An electrical engineer by training, she is connecting with industry, research centers and universities all over the world, thereby redrawing NIT Trichy's map of influence. On a tour around this sprawling campus, one is impressed by the infrastructure that caters to the all-round development of the students. This is the Octagon, the 24/7 common computing facility which is among the oldest in the country. Its fiber optic backbone caters to almost 8,000 users. It's maintained by a quick response team called the Computer Support Group or CSG. The Octagon has been a certified center for the conduct of exams like GMAT, Microsoft certification, the UK Clinical Aptitude Test besides the NSCA. A new landmark is the 190 crore Siemens Center of Excellence in Manufacturing. The facility boasts of labs for design and validation, testing and optimization, advanced manufacturing, robotics, automation, mechatronics and energy saving. The number of patents filed for innovatively engineered solutions has been on the upswing, with more industry-based and socially relevant products being fabricated. The Institute offers a global elective on intellectual property rights to conscientize the undergraduates towards a robust startup culture that is fast gaining favor even as more recruiters continue to come calling. The Institute follows a flexible curriculum where its faculty have the freedom to offer programs and courses that are in sync with industry and responsive to real-time problems. Students spend more time in the laboratories and the workshops, exemplifying a hands-on learning environment. The ecosystem of NIT Trichy does not limit the students' development to engineering alone. They are encouraged to hone their talents in sports and games, in the performing arts like music and dance and theatre. A happy restlessness drives the vibrant creative impulse in the young minds who organize national and global cultural and technical festivals like Pragyan, Festember and Knitfest. There are department symposiums too like Arcult, Probe, Harmony, Version and Alchemy. The faculty at NIT Trichy work in cutting-edge areas of technology and the sciences, besides the humanities and management, which culture attracts scholars from different parts of the world to collaborate on problems that have local as well as global impact. Not surprisingly, the motto of the institute is to be locally relevant, globally competitive. Located 25 kilometers from the city, the campus is a bustling tiny town. It boasts of a bank and a post office, a grocery, a shopping complex with eateries and convenience stores, besides a departmental store. This residential campus is more than 27 hostels for the boys and girls who are served a variety of foods that respects the culinary diversity of this culturally plural and diverse country. Women are treated with respect, and the administration takes particular interest in the health and well-being of the girl students. The 24/7 hospital provides prompt medical assistance, with specialist doctors visiting regularly. The campus inmates seldom feel the need to visit the bigger multi-speciality hospitals in the city. NIT Trichy reaches out to the community by organizing programs for disseminating knowledge to school students, teachers, and professionals. Anyone who graduates from NIT Trichy is only too aware that he or she gathers 3 blessings. They are blessed with education in a premier institute. They feel blessed that they are well-trained engineers. Finally, there is the pride in being an NITTN. The 3rd blessing is what they take with them in the journey ahead, one they would cherish forever.